Listen, we all have that one unassuming item in our kitchens that we totally take for granted. For me, that's baking soda. It makes our cakes fluffy, but did you know it can also help with heartburn, fatigue, and even whiten your teeth? So in this video, we're diving deep into the amazing world of baking soda, its incredible health benefits, some genius ways to use it, and of course, a friendly reminder that moderation is key. Okay, let's talk about heartburn. We've all been there, one too many slices of pizza, and suddenly you're regretting all your life choices. But before you reach for those over-the-counter antacids, let me introduce you to your new best friend, baking soda. Heartburn happens when stomach acid flows back up into your esophagus, causing that unpleasant burning sensation. Baking soda, being alkaline, neutralizes the acid almost instantly, providing you with sweet, sweet relief. Just mix half a teaspoon in a glass of water, drink it slowly, and feel the magic happen. But remember, like with all good things in life, moderation is key. We all dream of a sparkling white smile, but those treatments can be pricey. Your secret weapon, baking soda. It's a natural teeth whitener. Gently scrub away surface stains. It also neutralizes mouth acids. Sprinkle on toothpaste or make a paste. Remember, be gentle to protect enamel. Calling all fitness enthusiasts and weekend warriors. Ever hit that wall during a workout where your muscles are screaming for you to stop? When you exercise intensely, your body produces lactic acid, which is that burning sensation you feel in your muscles. Baking soda acts as a buffering agent, neutralizing the acid and delaying muscle fatigue. Start with a small amount, like a teaspoon mixed with water, about 30 minutes to an hour before your workout. But a word of caution, too much baking soda can lead to digestive discomfort, and trust me, you don't want that during your workout either. Soothing skin irritations. From itchy bug bites to sunburns, skin irritations are a fact of life. Before you raid the pharmacy, remember baking soda. This kitchen staple has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Mix a couple of teaspoons with water to make a paste. Apply it to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes. It calms itching, reduces redness, and helps dry out rashes. For an all-over soothing experience, add baking soda to a warm bath. Supports kidney health. Our kidneys are the unsung heroes of our bodies, working tirelessly to filter waste products and maintain our overall health. Baking soda can help balance the body's pH levels, which is crucial for optimal kidney function. When the body becomes too acidic, it can put extra stress on the kidneys. Baking soda, being alkaline, helps neutralize this excess acid, easing the burden on these vital organs. However, it's important to note that I'm not suggesting baking soda is a cure-all for kidney disease. If you have any kidney issues, it's crucial to consult with your doctor before incorporating baking soda into your routine. Detoxification and skin cleansing. We're constantly bombarded with toxins from our environment, diet, and even stress. A detox bath with baking soda might be just what you need. Baking soda helps to draw out impurities and toxins through the skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. To create your own detox bath, simply add 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to a warm bath and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oils to enhance the experience. Balances body pH. Our bodies function best within a specific pH range, which is slightly alkaline. Modern diets can tip the balance towards acidity. Baking soda helps neutralize excess acid. Add a quarter to half a teaspoon to water, but too much can be counterproductive. Excessive consumption can disrupt electrolyte balance. Natural deodorant. Conventional deodorants can be loaded with chemicals that many people find irritating or are simply trying to avoid. You can ditch the chemical cocktail and opt for a natural, effective, and budget-friendly alternative: baking soda. Baking soda is a natural odor neutralizer. It works by absorbing sweat and neutralizing the bacteria that cause body odor. To use it, simply pat a small amount of baking soda onto your armpits. You can also mix it with a little coconut oil for a smoother application. Baking soda won't stop you from sweating. It's not an antiperspirant, but it will keep you smelling fresh and clean throughout the day. Managing gout symptoms. Gout is a painful inflammatory condition that affects the joints, often causing intense pain and swelling. Baking soda helps by neutralizing uric acid in the bloodstream, which can potentially reduce the frequency and severity of gout attacks. However, it's important to emphasize that this is not a substitute for proper medical treatment. If you suffer from gout, it's crucial to consult with your doctor to develop a comprehensive treatment plan that addresses your specific needs. Alleviates cold and flu symptoms. The coughs, the congestion, the general feeling of misery. We've all been there. Baking soda can offer natural relief for some of those pesky cold and flu symptoms. For sore throats, gargling with a mixture of warm water and baking soda can help neutralize acids and soothe irritation. For nasal congestion, a saline solution with a pinch of baking soda can help clear the nasal passages. Remember, baking soda is not a cure for colds or the flu, but it can be a valuable tool in your arsenal for managing symptoms and feeling a little bit better when you're under the weather. Important considerations. While baking soda is generally safe for most people when used in moderation, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before adding it to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Look for aluminum-free baking soda, as aluminum can be harmful to your health. When it comes to baking soda, less is more. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as needed, paying attention to how your body reacts. Baking soda, your new best friend. So there you have it. Who knew that this unassuming little box in your pantry could be a health and wellness powerhouse? But remember, while baking soda can be a fantastic natural remedy, it's not a miracle cure-all. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep that baking soda handy.